Hello friends, welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I will show you how to make Multani face pack at your own home. This face pack really helped me a lot for glowing my skin. To prepare the pack, you just need dried blend Multani and Rosewater. It is very easy to make, also for use. So there is nothing about worry. This pack is tried and tested. See the ingredients. 1. Multani. 2. 3 or 4 tablespoon Rosewater. Combine the Multani and Rosewater. Mix it 2 minutes. After mixing, wait for 1 minute. Gently apply on your skin. Let the pack dry 15 or 20 minutes. Before washing, rub it for 1 or 2 minutes. Wash with warm water. Repeat the process at least once a week. Anyone, any types of skin and anywhere you can use it. I just hope you all be with me and click the subscribe button for more content.